Hello everyone. Welcome to TryRight, the new era of learning. Myself Rafiq. So today we're discussing about natural language processing on tokenization, right? In previous videos, we all discussed about what is tokenization, okay? What its behavior, right? So tokenization in NLP is nothing but the process of splitting a text, okay? The process of splitting a text, like sentence or paragraph, into a smaller units called tokens, right? Those tokens can be words, subwords, or even characters, okay? Uh, so let's introduce tokenization in LLP. So we can see here a text in document like sentence or paragraph which divides into a tokens which arrange in order. So let's say token, word sentence like that. If you're in a giving an input text like tokenization, so the process which the comes output of the standardized text, right? So stop word removal, punctuation removal, number replacement, creating engrams, semantics replacement, limitations. Token is a crucial step in neural language processing. It involves breakdown into an individual word sentence. It helps to in various tasks, right? So we have why we use NLP like task for analyzing for classifications and more whatnot. And NLP model cannot directly understand the raw data. It's understand when the data is converted into tokens. Okay, so tokenization converts unstructured text into a structured input for machine learning models. Okay, it simplifies further processing like streaming, lemmatization, or parsing, etc. Okay, so here we see some example. So here we have example called I love machine learning. So in as input in the middle layer of the tokenizer will done it separates the tokens like I love machine learning and even punctuation marks too. Okay, divides the separation of the sentence. So, what is tokenization? So, tokenization is a process of dividing text into a set of meaningful units, such as words or sentence, right? So, its purpose is to enable the machine to understand and process human language by breaking it down into a smaller components. So, for example, we take tokenization can split a paragraph into sentence or extract individual words from sentence, right? Basically, for the importance of the tokenization in NLP, so we have text preprocessing, language understanding, information retrieval. So for the text preprocessing, which the process done by before the text analysis. Okay, so tokenization is a foundational step in text preprocessing, uh, enabling effective analysis and future extractions. Okay, so it reposing step before the text analysis, right? Since the language understanding is the one of the picture which says about the language understanding, like every people and every human has a and even every national has the own body language of slang, right? Every person holds a own body language of its own slang, right? So it's important to understand first when we're dividing the language, okay, when analyzing the tokenization, so it helps in understanding the semantic and structure of the language, which is essential for NLP algorithms like information retrievals, tokenization facilities, efficient information retrieval, and text meaning by break down the content into a manageable units. Right. In this we have five types of tokenization. Right. So what are they? We have word tokenization, character tokenization, and subword tokenization, and sentence tokenization, and engram tokenization, right? So for the first thing, word tokenization. Word tokenization is a concept of split text into individual words. Okay, it is the first step we use in tokenization. Word tokenization is the most commonly used method where text is divided into individual words. It works well for languages where clear word boundaries like English, for example, machine learning is fascinating becomes like we assign input before the tokenization. We can see machine learning is fascinating, right? It divides the machine learning is fascinating. It divides each and every sentence. Okay. Now, what is character tokenization? So, in the short term, we can summarize it like break text into individual characters. Okay. Uh, Word tokenization divides the words, split the text into individual words, right? So character tokenization, what it does, it breaks the text. It does not split the text, it breaks the text into individual characters. Like example, we can see that in character tokenization, the texture data is split and converted to a sequence of individual characters. This is beneficial for tasks that requires a detailed analysis. Okay, such as spelling correction or for tasks which unclear boundaries. It can also be useful for modeling character level languages. Like we have input of you're helpful. Like whenever we applying the character tokenization, it divides the character. It divides the text into a characters. Like each and every letter will be divided in the sentence. Like y, o, u, or even you can observe here. Even in this the part of even character you in we see that here space also dividing, like it divides the space too. It considers space if we have any punctuation marks of commas, full stop, etc. It even it separate it. Okay, even it also it separate the characters. It also includes the space too. Okay. So now come to the point of subword tokenization. Also, the strikes a balance between the words and the characters tokenization by breaking down text into units that are larger than the a single characters but smaller than a full word. Okay. This is useful when dealing with Markopoli, sorry, morphologically rich language or rare words. So the subword tokenization it defines as so break words into meaningful subwords like units like common in modern models like BERT, GPT like that. So we can say that if you say example as I have unhappy, like we take example unhappy, so it divides the un as a word and happy is the one word like that. It divides the happiness, unhappiness. It divides the unhappiness like that. If you said the another, like it divides the and separate and other separate like that. Timetable, like rain, code, grace, fully. Like it divides the subgenre subwords. Okay, meaningful words. So now comes to the engram. Engram tokenization. Engram tokenization split words into fixed side, like we call chunks. Sided chunks, a size equal to n of data. Like we call it divides the length, like it carries the fixed size. Okay, so ngram matlab it carries like a equal to number which we assign size equal to size. It carries the number. Okay, sorry, not number. It carries the sentence. Like if we say machine learning is a powerful, like it carries machine learning has a one n size and learning is one size is powerful one size like that. It carries if we have if powerful machine like one size, it carries the according to your assigning the n value. Okay, so. Sentence tokenization. Okay. It is one of the most important common technique we use in the tokenization. So sentence tokenization is a common technique you use it to make a division of paragraph or large set of sentence into separated sentence, right? Hash tokens. This is useful for tasks requiring individual sentence analysis or processing. So in simple words, we can say that splits a paragraph into sentence like it behavior like same like word tokenizations only. So like word tokenization split text into individual words. So it splits a paragraph into a sentence. Okay. So like example, I love AI, like it's amazing, like we said. So let's take the artificial intelligence and is an empowering technology. Machine learning is fascinating computer vision handle image like it output divides like artificial where the commas like it divides the sentence like wherever the full stop or commas it defines they separate the sentence, they merge the sentence up to that, they divide the sentence up to full stop or commas. Okay, like it takes one sentence, two sentence, there are how many sentence like that. If it takes, we can see the artificial intelligence and even embedding technologies like we have full stop. So till that it takes a a sentence. Okay, it declares a full sentence, full length sentence. After it considered from next starting, machine learning is a facility. Full stop. Like the computer vision handling image. Like it divides a sentence. Okay. Both are same characters. For the difference between word tokenization and sentence tokenization, so word tokenization is split text into words. It split paragraph into sentence. Like okay, after the splitting sentence, the word tokenization will be take the like splitting text into individual words like that. So tokenization techniques in NLP, right? Tokenization techniques in NLP. So we can say that split text into individual words. We have the same technologies here too. What the sentence technologies divides the paragraph and articles into sentence according for abbreviations and the punctuations like that, tokenization using like the expressions like same we have discussed in previous. So in we have word tokenization like text input tokenization, middle process and output token like for the input we assign the raw text input for words tokenization containing sentence punctuation and special characters. Okay, in the middle second tokenization process will start visualize the representation of the words tokenization algorithm breaks down, okay, the input into individual words, okay, and output tokens take release that the resulting token generated form of the word tokenization process ready for further NLP analysis. So in sentence tokenization, the text extracts, sentence boundary detections, and we found the processed output, like extracting of a text paragraph or articles from a given document or input source. Sentence boundary detections like identification of sentence boundaries, including abbreviations and periods that do not signify in the end sentence, right? The boundary. Okay, the process output is nothing but the final output of the accurately segments where sentence read from the downstream. Okay, NLP applications. Good. So, to comes in the picture of tokenization using letter expressions, right? What are those? Pattern matching and expression variations and advanced technologies, right? Advanced technologies. So, in pattern matching, it utilizes customizable patterns like to match the extract tokens from the text, providing flexibility in the tokenization rules according to the pattern matching rules. Okay, so it provides some set of tokens like to extract the tokens from the sentence, and it provides the flexibility tokenization rules. Okay, then it identifies some patterns or and expression variations. Mean support the identification of diverse token type based varying linguistic and contextual requirement according to the sentence. Okay, so it requires on the tokenization expression variants like if you are saying in angry version, so it considers angry variant, angry variation. If you're saying it's captured the emotions, it captured the feelings. Okay, what the contextual you're releasing the has the output. Okay, so in advanced technology, so embedding the advanced tokenization. So for a specialization task such as extracting the specific entity complex and university structure, okay, it uses an advanced model, advanced method. So code implementation of tokenization in Python, we use libraries like natural language in process toolkit, natural language toolkit, NLTK, and SPCY, and libraries for tokenization in Python. Okay. So load text data for load text data it is import method. So load text data or documents to be and tokenizing using the chosen for libraries and applying tokenization methods like we have the tokenization method called NLTK and SPCY tokenization, the input tokenization obtained for the tokenization tokens for analysis. In this, we can use characters, subword tokenization, sentence tokenization. Okay. So it is one example of the implementation for the tokenization. It is one of the example code. I suggest. So it is a sentence tokenization using. Okay. We use sentence tokenization using sentence tokenize. Okay. From NLTK tokenization, import sentence tokenization. So text. Hello everyone. Welcome to TryWrite. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to TryWrite. You're studying NLP article. Right. We send the token. Right. For the module, we send the text. Okay, for the import library we send the text. Okay, it returns output has a what sentence you can see do wherever the commas full stop wherever it divide the sentence, right? It is the behavior of sentence tokenization. So it divides hello everyone has a one sentence. Welcome to try write. One sentence. You're studying NLP article has a one sentence. Like that, each and every code behavior is depends like that. Okay. So, conclusion and key takeaways about like pre-processing steps like tokenization lays the foundation for effective NLP tasks, and it is essential for advanced textual analysis and understanding, right? So in that we have integration efficiency, using libraries like NLTK and SPACY and streamlines and tokenization process and find enhance workflow efficiently in Python. Okay, in NLP advancement, continuous advancement in tokenization method contributed to improved languages understanding and semantic analysis in NLP. So, NLP integration, like exploring the integration of NLTK libraries for efficiency tokenization and to text analysis task. Okay, in projects like we whenever we get a text related documents like text related projects. So in that we use this NLTK natural language to toolkit. Okay, and advanced tokenization capability and its integration with other NLP modules, same as a seamless workflow. So, this is all about the NLP tokenization. I hope you guys all are understood about this NLP tokenization behavior. Thank you.